All right. Yeah. So let us talk about, okay, what we will be doing inside this today's session. So am I audible to you right now? Yeah, great. Okay, yes. Now let us explore the first AI tool, that is ChatGPT. Okay, so we will be exploring ChatGPT for sure. Along with the ChatGPT, we will also explore Notation AI. I don't know anyone I have heard of this Notation AI. Yes, guys. And we will explore one more AI tool that is known as Grammarly. Okay, so let me share my screen right now. Is it visible to you guys? Yes or no? So these are the AI tools that we will explore, starting with the ChatGPT, then we have Notation AI, and then we have Grammarly. Okay. Now, what is the purpose for this particular AI? It is only for your academic AI tool, guys. Okay, not for your writing assignment or preparing the exams. And there is one more AI which can be really helpful for you guys, that is Gamma AI. Gamma AI is something that help us to create all the presentations or writing the assignments, guys. Okay, so all right, it's all about making you smarter, faster, and a better student. Using AI as your study partner, okay, let's tackle each tool one by one. So let us understand what is a chat GPT, guys, right? So you might have heard of chat GPT is an AI chatbot made by a company called as OpenAI. But think of it as a super intelligent tutor available 24 by 7. It will not judge you, it doesn't get tired, and it can explain literally anything in the way you are understanding, guys. Okay. So let me give you a small demo as well. Okay. So let me tell you something. I'm going to type, okay, in the chat GPT, and let us see that how it is working. So you can see this. This is a simple chat GPT right now. I'll just sign up or log in with the free credentials. It is all about writing the prompt, guys. Okay. So AI tool is all about writing the prompts. Great. So I'm going to type right now, okay, explain photo synthesis. Okay, as you can see this, I'm writing explain photosynthesis. Like I am a 10-year-old kid. Like I am a 10-year-old. And let us see the prompt as well, guys. Okay. So if you can see that the prompt is only for the 10-year-old. Okay. Now I will type explain what is an engineering student does. Okay. See how the same AI completely changed the language and the depth. The power of prompting is this. If you are writing that I am a 10-year-old student, you can see the explanation in a very simple way, step by step. Now, I will write the second prompt that I am an engineering student. I'm not a 10-year-old kid right now. I am an engineering student. I am an engineering student. Explain me in that way. As soon as I have changed the target, okay, as soon as I have changed the audience or the target, guys, okay, so you can see that right now it has completely changed. It is giving me the technical answers, water, carbon dioxide, sunlight as well, right? So always tell ChatGPT your background. That is your first point that you should note, guys, okay? What you already know, it will adjust the explanation accordingly, guys. Got it, guys? Yes or no? So explain your concept simply. Everything you have to tell, what is your background, what you are doing, what you are aware about the topic. Then ChatGPT will give you the best possible answer. Okay. Now, suppose you have a very big textbook, okay, and the chapter is too big, guys, right? So take your textbook or the chapter notes, paste the key paragraph inside this, and then type summarize this 5 bullet points for exam revision. Getting it, guys? So this is how you have to use it. Now, suppose I am writing a paragraph for uh, chemistry, paragraph for automobile, okay, subject. So I will get a paragraph for automobile subject, okay. Now I can simply copy this particular paragraph and paste inside the chat GPT. Same thing you can also do from your textbook or the chapter and write a prompt, explain this in 5 bullet points. 5 bullet points. So in this way, what will happen whenever you are doing any exam or anything, guys? Okay, this is the best practice you can see to get most out of that paragraph. Can you guys see this? So, what are the other prompts that you can write as a student? You can write, I am studying this particular topic. Give me 5 practice questions ranging from easy to hard. So, this is why ChatGPT will create a mini quiz for you on the spot. Now, create a quiz of 5 questions ranging easy to hard. I am doing MCA. Okay, suppose you guys are doing MCA or BCA, anything. It will give you the 5 quiz on spot with the level of easy to hard. Can everyone can see this? Yes or no, guys? So I want your input on the chat box. We can customize our chat GPT as well, guys. Okay, this is something that you can easily do. Okay, so here's the trick which I'm gonna show you. Ask the chat GPT that how does a topic of MCA connect to a topic of BCA. So this will is a perfect disciplinary subject and essay writing. Okay, so how does, suppose you are in the BCA, right? How does BCA is connected to MCA? So let us see this. So when you are writing this, okay, any 2 topics, and when you tell about the connection, it will give you the particular difference between the topic 1 and the topic 2, and it will guide you in a very easy way, guys. Okay, so this is something that we need to understand when we are using ChatGPT. It is not about writing the random prompts. It is always about writing the correct prompt, guys. Okay. Now, instead of asking for answers, say I want to learn about supply and demand. Don't give me the answer. Ask me the question. Guide me to figure it out myself. This will force the active learning. Okay. Suppose I am writing right now. Okay. I want to learn about DSA. Can you see this? A DSA is a very important topic in any technical background. Okay, so you can see I want to learn about DSA. Don't give me, you have to write a prompt. Don't give me the answer. Instead, ask me the questions me to figure out. Okay, suppose I am writing to figure out it by myself. Now in this way, what will happen, guys? Okay, as you can see this, I'm getting the first questions. Okay, what are the different ways you can store them? This will trigger your learning. This will make you understand the topic in a very easy way. Can you see this? So this is the correct way by using the particular chat GPT. We are not getting the prompts or the replies directly, but we are asking it, we are twisting it as per of our requirement. So never paste your assignment question and ask ChatGPT to complete it. Use it to understand and write it in your own word, guys. This is the best way to use ChatGPT. Can everyone can see this, guys? Yes. Now, any topic, okay, it is not about any topic, you just can use it. Now, let us explore the second AI tool, that is something called as Notation AI. This AI tool is perfect for your notes, guys, okay? Why I am telling you this? So, let's talk about where you actually store all this knowledge. So, Notation is like a digital brain, guys. And with Notation AI, that brain gets a serious update. So, what Notation can do for a student? It can auto summarize your class notes. It can extract actions items from a long reading list, generate study templates automatically, and translate your complex text into a plain language, guys. Okay, so this will create a flashcard ready question and answer pair from your notes, whatever the notes you are doing it. Okay, so let me just start this particular notation AI tool. Okay, and I'm just using this. Yes. So this is like your digital brain, guys. Okay, it is very useful. Make sure that you just use it. Okay. So I'm just clicking notation on free. As you can see this. We'll use this particular email ID. All right. Let me continue this. Okay. Great. Now suppose you have a situation, guys. Okay. So here's what I'm doing it here. Okay. That, yeah, just give me 2 minutes. Let it get signed in. So what basically what we will be doing, okay, as you can see this. So I'll click on home here. Simple as that. Okay, this is the particular home here. All right. So here's what I'm going to do right now. I have a messy notes from a lecture on, suppose, climate change. I will paste that into notation and highlight everything and just click on summarize, guys. Okay, you can see this. Watch what happens in about 3 seconds. So let me get a notes on climate change. You can get anything, okay, any topic as per your career. Notes for HTML. Let us go with this. So in a paragraph, I will write, yeah, I am getting this paragraph. So I'll get this particular paragraph and everything. So this is my entire notes for the VS HTML, right? I'm copying this particular node. Okay, I'll just go here and click on new page, done, and I will click here as entire notes. Then what I will be doing it, I will be just writing a prompt called as summarize this. Summarize this. Simple as that. All I have to give one prompt, summarize this, and let us see this. Okay, so you can see this, the entire notes is getting summarized in a very easy way. Okay, now I will use the action item feature inside this. Okay, there is a feature called as action item also, which will help us. Even though it's note, it will pull out whatever I need, okay, to read the paper, watch the video, and revise the diagram as well. So this is a very important AI tools. Okay, when you are using it for your notes making, you can simply get all the features of notation AI as well, guys. Okay, as you can see this on your left sidebar, there are so many features that we can use it for free. Okay, so use notation AI to study dashboard at each of your semester. Templates include class notes, assignment tracker, exam preparation, and reading the list. Okay, now for non-technical student, don't worry, guys. Okay, for those who finds apps are very hard, guys. Okay, notation as a free student plan. What is the very good important about the notation, guys? Notation has the free student plan. Okay, it looks like a Word document, but you can start by using by typing. That AI is a button that you can click whenever you are ready. No coding, no setup. So this is entirely for the non-technical student which finds it very difficult, okay, using the particular AI tools. Now, if I go to the next AI tools, okay, for your academic purpose, the AI tools is known as Grammarly AI. So what is for Grammarly AI? It is for your writing, guys. Whenever you are writing your essay, emails to the professor, okay, reports, cover letters, Grammarly AI is your writing coach. The free version is genuinely very good, guys. Okay, it will fix your grammar, spelling mistake in real time. So it can be really useful whenever you are doing such tasks, okay, of email, essay, and everything. Suggest you a better words choice and the sentence clarity. So I'll just use this, okay. I'll just continue it, sign up with the free. Done. I'll just sign up with my own Google ID. Same thing you can guys also do. Okay. I'll click on accept. Now it can also check your tone, whether you are writing a formal, casual, confident, any kind of letters or the reports, guys. Okay. So this is very useful. Now there is a premium version that help us to check the plagiarism, which will full rewrite your suggestion entirely. Okay, so whenever you are getting the plagiarism report, you can also hit the Grammarly AI, which is very useful as well. Okay, so let me just paste a very bad paragraph of a grammar. Okay, and this paragraph I'm gonna get it from the ChatGPT. Give me a very bad paragraph of grammar used. Okay, random paragraph. Okay, random paragraph. So I'm getting a paragraph from the ChatGPT. Okay, and we will see that it is completely with the bad paragraph and the bad grammar, guys. Okay, so I'll just use this. What I can do is I can just use a doc here, or better I would have written it. So we will see all the underlines, the green, whatever the system that we have. Okay, whenever we write a very bad paragraph thing. So let me start and just type this. Okay, and you can see that what prompt I have to do this. Okay, so let me just make this very clear. Okay, so I am writing a prompt. Okay, now look at this, the goal settings that you can see here on the left hand side. Okay, I will tell Grammarly audience is equal to academic domain, and academic domain and tone will be formals. So what is my audience in which whom I am giving this paragraph? Okay, is nothing, it is a academic. And tone, the tone which I have to use, it should be formal. So you can see I'm just writing the keywords, I'm not writing the entire extra prompt or anything. Intent is informal. Okay, now it gives me the feedback. Okay, on the basis of this, so it will read my document, it will help me. Okay, and just you can see that it has given me a better paragraph. So you can see I'm going to a market and buy many things, which is totally wrong, right? And you can see yesterday I went to the market and purchased several items. As you can see this, it has completely changed your paragraph. Okay, with the better grammar and the better tone. So this is something that you can use it. Okay, and not only just this, you can install the Grammarly as a browser extension. Okay, you can use this browser extensions in your Chrome as well. Okay, it will help you to type any sentence in the chat box, and Grammarly will notify that, and it will give you the suggestions on the basis of your bad grammar or the bad spelling. So by downloading the free extensions, okay, you can fix your particular grammar, guys. Is it clear, guys? Everyone, yes or no? Yes. So can you see this, how we are using this particular AI tools for each and every purpose? Yes. You can use ChatGPT, okay, for your sentence, but Grammarly has a human touch. Okay, the problem is that we are not using ChatGPT for all this purpose. When we are using the platforms like Grammarly, we can add the tone, we can add fix the grammar, and we can also give a small human touch. So that is why I don't recommend you to use ChatGPT for this particular task. Use Grammarly because it is a very good thing. Okay, yes, it will definitely correct your basic mistakes. Okay, it is not something that you will be using on regular basis, right? Whenever you are writing the essay, whenever you are writing the email, at that time you can use it, guys, right? Great. Now we have some more AI tools, okay, for the presentation. Now, suppose you have a task of creating a presentation, right? So what AI tools we can use it? The first AI tools, which is free, and it will give you up to 10 slides, okay, completely free. That is Gamma, guys, okay. So Gamma AI is the best overall from content, AI buildings, beautiful slides instantly. Apart from Gamma, guys, okay, we have Canva AI, which can we can use drag and drop. It will generate your AI text and image creation. Apart from that, we have beautiful AI and Tome app as well. Okay, so I will show you. I'm just writing for my personal use. Let us take one simple, just me, okay, and create a presentation from scratch. So just fill some data, okay, inside this. Yeah, just write this Chrome, okay. Just use any option, friend or colleague. Better to use friend or colleague, and just click on done. Now there are four options you can see, okay. Create from a template. If you have a template for the presentation, you can import the file for the URL, paste in the text, or generate. Simply click on generate, guys, okay. And now watch, I'm going to type create 10 slides on the impact of social media on mental health for a psychology class, okay, anything. So I'm writing create 10 slides. You can see this. I'm writing create 10 slides, or yeah, on impact of social media. Use any topic, okay, social media on mental health for my psychology class, okay. So you can see I am just putting down the entire data, okay, as per the requirement that I want a presentation for my class. Okay, you can see this. It will give you some points, okay, 10 important points. And in 20 seconds, Gamma will be created a full presentation with headings, content, formatting. I can change the theme, add the images, edit any text, and export to the PowerPoint in my professor needs the format. You can simply do this in when 20 seconds only, guys, okay. So this is the power of Gamma AI. Now you can see this. I got all the important points. If I just click on generate, I will get the particular presentation, guys. And not only just this, I can export this free onto the PowerPoint as well. Don't you think, guys, it is crazy that how the time has changed right now? First, we used to create the presentation manually, but now without even doing anything, okay, it is giving you the live data, guys, okay. Now you can see I like this particular slide, which is telling me the digital search of active user. It is 4.78 billion users, guys, okay. So almost 60% of your world population is right now in the social media. So you can see how the big market it is, okay. And these are the points that takes you guys to take a lot of time to generate this, right? We need research on that. But by using Gamma, it is just taking 10 or 20 seconds to do that. Don't you guys agree on this? Yes, let me just show you one more time. Images are perfect, okay. As per my theme, I am getting the images, okay. And notice that how AI is giving you the structure, you can still control the content, okay. You can still control the content. If you feel like that I want to add more content, you guys are free to do this, okay. You can always review this, fact check, personalized what AI creates, and think of it as like a fast assistant, not a replacement for your thinking, okay. So do not think AI as your replacement. It's just an assistant that we are guys are using it, okay, for to make our work faster. And let me tell you one more thing, okay? If you are thinking about that, how companies will react on this, many companies, okay, all the top companies are using and telling and encouraging employees to use AI tools as well, guys, okay, for all this particular purpose. Because we want a fast result, we don't want a slow result, guys, okay? A fast result, but with the human touch. It is always coming with the human touch, guys, okay. Never believe everything on the particular AI. Add your human touch, which will make you stand out, guys, okay. Add your own examples, add your images, add your opinions. This will make your professor or the company or your manager recognize your generate AI output immediately. Okay, so this is something that we will talk about, guys. Is it clear? So these are the AI tools that we used only for your academic tools. Now, in the we will take a small 5 minutes of break, okay? And in the 5 minutes of break, after that, we will explore productive AI tools, okay, that you can use for your studies, guys, okay? So, what is about the productive AI tools? You can manage your calendars, study habits, okay, and I will tell you some of the great AI tools that is completely free that you can use for your particular productivity in your college or your career, guys. Getting it, everyone? So I will be dropping Gamma AI is for the presentation and the reports, yes, Meghna. And Notation AI is for the summary, and Grammarly is for grammar correct. And ChatGPT is for getting the content right, okay, as per your prompt. So we will be taking 5 minutes of break, and after 5 minutes of break, let me show you what are the AI tools that we will explore, guys. These are the AI tools that is completely based on your productivity. So there is an AI tool that is called as Reclaim. I don't know how many of you guys have used this, okay, but it is a very great AI tools. It is known as the smart calendar scheduling. So it will connect with your Google Calendar directly and automatically schedules your task. So when we used to create that particular time management sheet, okay, back in the time, writing on a paper 9 to 12 I will do this. No, right now we are not doing this. We will get a digital update when this AI tools will connect with our Google Calendar, and it will schedule the task as well. Okay, so if you have any task, you can use it. This is one of the great AI tools that can directly work with the calendar, guys. Along with that, let me tell you one more AI tool, that is your Motion AI. Motion AI, guys, it is your AI daily planner that will build your entire schedule every morning. Okay, it is not about just your studies, guys. You can give your entire plan for each day. Add your task with the deadlines and the priorities. Suppose you have an assignment, okay, in your college, that is your priority. So it will guide you each and every step what task should be given as the priority and everything, okay. And apart from that, I will have one more AI tools, okay, which is helping us for you to have your own AI tutor, guys, okay, that we will explore in the next session of this particular AIs. Okay. So right now, this is the part two, phase two we are going, because after we understood what are the AI tools that we need for our academics, now we are going into the productive phase, that how I can make my productivity and increase my productivity by using this AI tools. After this, we will be having AI for your exam prep. And after that, we will be having AI for your particular career and making you job ready about your resume and everything. Okay. So let us take a short 5 minutes of break, guys. Okay. Yes, and you all will be get certified, guys, okay, after this complete webinar. I will be sharing you the Google Meet, okay, and then you just have to drop your some email IDs and everything, okay, and then you will be getting certified. Yeah, so let us take a short 5 minutes of break. All right, guys. Okay, as you can see this, am I audible to everyone, guys? Just give me a quick confirmation. Yes. So let us start with the phase two, guys, in AI tools that we do need for our productivity, guys. Right, Abhishek? Am I audible to you? That's great. Okay. So let's be very honest, guys. Okay. That the time management is difference between a student who succeed and the students who burn out, right? Exactly. And most of us are terrible at it, okay, because we haven't get the right tools until now. Exactly. So we understand, okay, that how long it takes whenever we are doing a particular task, right? We put everything in one study block, okay, with no specific. Now that's the same thing, okay, that we will be doing it, that we forget deadlines until the night before our assignments. We don't track where our time actually goes. So this particular AI tools, which is Reclaim.ai, it is your smart calendar scheduling. As you can see, it is the first one, the AI calendar app for work, guys. Okay, this will connect to your Google Calendar and automatically schedules your task around your existing commitments. So you tell that I have 200 words essay due Friday, okay? It finds the best time slots for you in your week and blocks them out. If you reschedule in something, it will adapt automatically. And free plan covers one calendar basics habit scheduling. So perfect for student, guys, okay? Now there is one more AI tool that is known as Motion AI. Have you ever heard of this, guys? Motion AI is your AI daily planner. It is the it is built entirely on your daily schedule every morning, guys. Okay, your task, your deadlines, your priority. The motion decides when in your day you should do each one. It considers meeting, focus time, even breaks as well. Okay, so for students, use Reclaim's AI free plan for task scheduling and add your assignment as a task with the actual date. So let the AI find your study window, guys. Okay. Apart from that, what else you can do is, apart from the that, you can use AI calendar planning. Okay, that we have. So let me tell you how to do this. Okay. So let's talk about building a calendar that actually works for students' life, not just assignment, but also sleep, exercise, meals, social media, and breaks. Because burnout is real, guys. Okay, I'm not only talking about studies here. I want you have to plan everything, which includes exercise also, meals also, break also, social media as well. Okay, so put all the fixed events in your Google Calendar, whatever it is there. You use everything in your Google Calendar, and then use Reclaim AI or Motion AI to auto scale your task into free slots. Okay, set your focus time, set your buffer time, review with the AI every Sunday night to adjust. So let me show you how a real student calendar setup. Okay, I have a student who's second year computer science student with a part-time job and three courses and two clubs. So here he would build their AI calendars. First, we add all the fixed commitment, okay, in our Google Calendar. So what you can do simply is that you can open a Google Calendar here and mention all your fixed commitments like college and everything. Okay, that this particular day you have a college, this is a particular time you are having a college. You can see this is my Google Calendar looks like. Okay, great, done. I'll just check the theme as well. Okay, now then we had an assignment with the deadline as a task as well, guys. Okay, so Reclaim will find the available slots and schedule a 90-minute study blocks automatically. The student just follow the calendars. Okay, so use Google Calendar out of your office features during exam weeks. It will automatically declines all the invitations and tells people that you are not available. Great for your group project boundaries as well. Okay, so I'm just writing one prompt here on Reclaim AI. Okay, and let us see that how I can do this. So I'll just write book a demo here. Okay, or let me just click on get started. agree and sign up with the Google. This is the same thing, guys, that we have to do it most of the time. And I will write the prompt. I am a which year student, guys? Are you guys in second year or third year? Whatever is there, okay? So just write the current year, type the particular subject that you are going, okay, and write everything for the Reclaim AI, okay? So I'll just click with the Google Calendar as you can see this. You can just change this into your work and your particular personal calendar also, okay? So the way you like, you can just do this. There's no problem with that. So let me tell you how you will write the prompt, okay, in Reclaim. All right, student, skip, skip. Done. So you can see this. Welcome to Reclaim, and we will all have done all the setup, okay, because it will just connect with your calendar, guys, okay? So it needs some time to check whatever is your pre-fixed schedule or the appointment as well, okay? So as you can see this is the exactly same. You can see this. It is my Reclaim AI which is showing my calendar, okay? And now I am just clicking on a planner here, okay? As you can see this, and then I will be writing a prompt here, okay? So let me tell you how to write a prompt in this particular Reclaim. This is an option where you can just create a new prompt, okay, new task and everything. This is the option where you can see the priorities, whichever the priorities you have given to the task, okay? As you can see this. Now just let me find this. This is the focus mode, okay, which will make me proactive for the particular thing. And I can change my calendar here, okay, by just giving the proper email ID. I can give my personal email ID, okay, as the calendar as well, guys, okay? So and just click on planner back and you can see this. Can everyone can see this, how it is connected with your calendar, guys? Whether you are using a work calendar or whether you are using any calendar, okay, it will directly connect with it. Is it clear? Yes or no, guys? That's great, okay? Now suppose I'm writing I am a, so this is an event, okay? Suppose I have a shoot, okay, on this particular thing. So it has created an event, okay? And now this entire data has been added to this particular Reclaim AI, guys, okay, which is very useful. Now you can use this, write a prompt that I am a student studying inside BSc, okay? My semester runs from this particular date to this particular date. I have 5 numbers of courses. My major assignments are this. Whenever you are giving all the inputs, but make sure that you give entirely everything, guys, okay? Now in the phase 3, guys, okay, these are the AI tools, Motion and Reclaim. It is for your productivity. It will schedule your productivity, it will manage your time, guys, okay? Now coming the best part, AI for exam preparation. What is the AI that you use for your exam preparation, guys? Anyone can tell me? Do you simply use ChatGPT for your exam preparation? Yes or no? Now, this is the section most of you came for, right? By using AI, actually prepare for exam. And I want to be very clear, okay? These techniques make you learn better, not cheat, okay? So, ready for this, guys, everyone? What if I tell you there is an AI quiz generator? The AI quiz generator, for that you can simply use ChatGPT. You can copy paste your notes in the ChatGPT, okay, and then based on that particular content you can create the quiz. Now only for the quiz I am using ChatGPT, okay, not for any other purpose. So I'm just giving a content on Python, okay. Suppose I have a content on Python, and in paragraph format. Okay, suppose I have this particular thing. So when we study or read paragraph, guys, it is very big, right? We don't feel like study this. What we can do after you study this, okay, if you want to check your preparedness, you can just copy paste this paragraph here on the chat GPT and write a prompt here. Okay, create 10 MCQs. Okay, create 10 MCQs with 4 options each and mark the correct answer. Okay, if you want to see, mark the correct answer, mark the correct answer. As you can see this, vary the difficulty. Okay, because we have to mention the difficulty level. If it is totally easy, you will not learn too much. Okay, so always remember how to vary the difficulty level from basics to advanced level. Okay, or you can see, instead of writing advanced level, and you can write recall application level thinking, so it will be of interview level thinking, guys. Okay, the difficulty level, when we write this keywords application level thinking, okay, you can see this. I'm getting who has created the Python. Van. Python was released in which year? 1991. Basic recall, concept understanding, intermediate level, application level. Okay, which field uses Pythons for analyzing large database, data science and machine learning, right? So this is how you can use chat GPT, guys. Okay, but there is one more AI tools. I don't know how much you have used this AI tools. Okay, there is something called as BLU AI. Have you seen this, guys? Anyone who has seen about the BLU AI? What does this BLU AI does? What if I tell you that you get your own AI tutor, guys, for free? Okay, it is not for your paid. Okay, it is not paid, it is completely free. So let me give you a small hint about the BLU AI. Okay, that is a product of Unlox only. You can download this particular application, guys. Okay, so I'm sharing you this link. I want you to try this. Okay, and it is completely free because this is your personalized AI tutor, guys. Okay, it will just ask you one thing, that what is your goal. Is your goal of becoming a web developer? Is your goal becoming a data science or a AI or ML person? Okay. As per your goal, it will create all the particular, you can see this. It has a new version launched. Okay. As you can see this, it will create the content in multi-language. So if you feel like that you are not too much good with English and you are very much better with your mother tongue, you can just select your mother tongue and this BLU AI version 2, okay, will create the content as in your mother tongue. That is something which is a really good feature, I would say, okay, which is not there in most of the AI tools, right? Now it will just create your own test. So if you are not able to clear the test, you will not able to go to the new topic or the new phase, guys. Okay, which will make sure that you are completely understanding the topics. You are just not randomly writing or selecting any MCQs. Okay, it will give you the course like UI, UX, machine learning, AI, and it will integrate with the job rich platforms. Because one thing that you remember, if you complete all the course, okay, entire curriculum in the BLU, and then BLU will find the exact job for your, as per your domain, as per your expertise, guys. Getting it? So I want you to explore this. Okay, have a look on this. It is completely free, so you don't need to pay on this. Create your own account on the BLU. Okay, and you will see that how this BLU has converted this totally. Getting it, guys? Yes or no, everyone? So it will just make your learning in a very better way. Your own AI learning companion. Okay, start learning with the BLU. There are different features starting from the languages and everything. And let me tell you one more AI tools, okay, that you should use. There is a technique that we use. Okay, that technique that is known as Feynman AI method. I don't know how many of you have used this Feynman AI method. So what is this Feynman AI method, guys? Okay, let us talk about this. So here's the most powerful study techniques combined with an AI. An expert explain a concept about ChatGPT as if you are teaching it. So whenever you are using any AI platform, okay, for your preparation, you'd have to tell the prompt that explain as if you are teaching this particular concept. Okay, so if I'm giving ChatGPT explain Python as you are teaching. Okay, if ChatGPT is pointing out some points, we need to understand that this is called as the Feynman's AI technique method, okay, and proven to work in the best way. So you can pick any topic and tell the ChatGPT, or you can see Blue AI, okay, it will give you the entire thing about different course as per your work, okay, as per your work. How it will work? It will analyze and adapt as per your learning, knowledge, and the level of test you are appearing. It will track your progress. It will give you the interactive learning platform, okay, by solving the problems together, instant feedbacks, and it will help you to convert into the different language as well. So this is the entire human like interaction, guys, okay, and it is completely free for you guys, okay. You just have to go and download this particular app. Clear, guys? And now, yes, sorry, there was a connection issue, guys, okay, just give me 1 minute. Yeah, am I audible now? Great. Okay. So what if I tell you guys, apart from this, there is one more platform that will make you job integrated with Blue AI. Okay. The platform name is Prepfree. So as you can see this, I have a platform called as Prepfree. You just have to log in, guys. Okay. You just have to create your account in this. It is a great platform for you to build your resume, to get the outputs according to your feedback, guys. Okay, as you can see this, yeah. So let me just create an account or simply sign in this Prepfree, guys. Okay, suppose my email ID is, or let me just simply create an account on this. All we have to write the name, email ID, and phone number. So I'm writing the name here. Okay, I'm writing the email here. Okay, suppose the email ID I'm using is, yeah, just once again, let me create an account on this. Now, why what? Let me just explain you what does this platform is all about. Okay, so this is your platform which will make your journey, okay, and make you job ready with connection with all the jobs. Okay, it is not just like a LinkedIn where it will get an update about you the job. It will prepare you. It will prepare you, guys. Okay, so you can book your AI interview. AI will help you to get the interview. Apart from that, okay, you can just click on start journey, create an account on that, and let me show you what are the features that you can get inside this Prepfree. Okay, so I'm just giving you this particular link on the chat box. Explore this if you want to become a job ready platform, okay? Or if you want to become a job ready in your industry before you go for an interview. If you want to check how the resumes are done, okay? So you can see, if you talk about boot camps, okay, there are multiple boot camps that we have inside the Prepfree, which will help you the hands-on videos or the experience along with AI mentors as well. Okay, so very simple concept is this. This is how it will work us. Okay, and it has tied up with multiple companies. So you do not need to worry about whenever you are prepared for this. You can directly apply to the companies through Prepfree, guys. Okay, so let me just try to log in or the sign in this. Yeah, just give me 1 minute. Let me write my password. Yeah. So once again, just give me 1 minute. Yes, as you can see this, I'm sharing you the screen right now. So these are the platforms that you should explore, okay, when you are in the journey, when you are in the journey of your student guys, okay, which will help you to guide you and it will help you to apply for the jobs directly, okay. So this is the entire thing that you can use inside the Prepfree. So I want you to explore this, try this, okay? Make yourself job ready, apply for the job that will be recommended to you on the basis of your skills, interest, resume, and your performance, okay? Check your career analytics, okay? Track your growth, identify the gaps that you can see in the industry. Now, when we talk about full stack developer, guys, okay, let us understand this. When you are applying for a full stack developer, a same role can you can apply for a web developer as well, and in the same field you can apply for UI and UX developer, backend developer, front end developer as well, guys, okay. So there are many job roles and we have no idea about that because we have only heard of this particular role called as full stack developer. So these are the platforms which will help you, okay, and make you prepared for the job ready, guys. Clear? So two platforms, Blue AI and the Prepfree. I want everyone to go and explore this. Apart from that, if you want your AI for your revision strategy, okay, that there is a difference with that between a study and the revision, right? So there is a complete difference, okay. When we study, we are studying it, and but when we are revising it, we need some tricks and tips, okay. And study is something that is learning something new, and revises is making sure that whatever you have learned sticks, and AI can help you in both the way, guys, okay. So what you have to do is you have to use and plan your AI revision framework. Okay, so starting with week one. Week one, you are using a platform like ChatGPT and Blue AI, which will consolidate your knowledge, which will tell you the exactly thing what you have studied. Okay, help you prepare for the particular topic. Second week should be your practice week. You can have to have a quiz. In the same way, ChatGPT will create a quiz and Blue AI will give you the personalized test, okay, as per your topics. So once you clear the test, you will be having a better grab, or you can say the better topic stand on that particular topic, right? Week 3 should be deep learning, okay. About deep learning, we should create some coding application, we should be writing the reports as per our curriculum, we should be solving the problem. And week 4, okay, which should summarize all the topic, so you can tell ChatGPT or the Blue AI to summarize all the topics which you have done it, guys. Getting it? So this is the same way we will be using this particular AI tools. And now the last AI tools, okay, that we will explore is the career AI tools, guys. Okay. Now before we go inside the last AI tools, I want to ask you guys, okay, which AI tools which you found which was the best one, guys, which can help you and identify in your particular journey as a student. Anyone, guys? So we started with ChatGPT, everyone is aware about. Then we have used Notation AI, Grammarly AI. Then we have used Gamma AI. Then we have used Reclaim.ai, right, for managing and scheduling this. Then we have Blue AI, exactly. Okay, that Blue AI is something that you can use it. It will give you the module level, guys. Okay, so check this Blue AI. It is multi-language AI. Okay, which was a very big gap, okay, in the industry, right? So if I want to understand anything, right, if I want to understand anything, what I will be doing, it will be very much easy for me to understand in my mother tongue, right? Rather than studying in English, it will be very much easy if I am studying in Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, Hindi, Gujarati, okay, Rajasthani, whatever is this, right? So and then it will not only just give you the exact concept, it will divide your particular goal into small module wise. That first you start with chat gpt, sorry, html, then css, then javascript. It will give you the clear roadmap of being a web developer, data science, data analytics, machine learning, everything. Okay, that's great. Then we have Prepfree, which will prepare you for your exam, build your resume, help you find the mock interviews, the AI mock interviews, apply, give you the AI job recommendations, and apply, make you apply for this particular companies. Along with that, it will give you the interview process as well. Okay, unless and until you are totally 100% sure, it will not guide you or tell you to apply this. Okay, first you have to clear your particular test, and then Prepfree will guide you for the n number of job portals. Okay, same thing Blue AI does. It gives you the job bridge platforms. Okay, in Unlox also we have this job bridge platforms where student can apply. Okay, so whatever the students who has completed the course or anything, guys, they guys are right now working. Okay, right after 2 months of doing the course, all the companies, the best benefit about the Unlocks is, okay, that I would say something which is really unique about the Unlocks is we have 150 plus companies that is already tied up with the Unlocks, and all the projects that we guys are doing in the sessions. Okay, these are the projects not created by me or Unlocks team. It has been coming directly from these IT companies. So as per the requirements of IT companies, okay, we are getting the projects. If a student is able to do the project, that is definitely students are able to do that. And then that company will directly approach the students for the internship programs, for the full-time role problems. Okay. So when you will have a production level knowledge in your time, in your college time, okay, that means you guys are doing wonders in your life, guys. Okay, so this is something that you should always focus on, guys. Yes, Tom AI as well. Now let us talk about career AI tools. What are the career AI tools? And after this, okay, we will be sharing you the link for the certification as well, guys. Okay. So if I talk about career AI tools, as we have already spoken with the Blue AI, another career AI tools is GitHub Copilot. Okay, this is only for the technical students. You can use it. It is very good when you are doing the particular coding and as well. Okay, because it will help you solve your problem. Okay, in a very easy way. So make sure that, okay, this is your final hour, guys. Okay, this is where we will zoom out of being a student to being a professional. Okay, what is the focus right now? We have to be a professional as well, where you want a job, where you want to start a company, and where you want to go into the research. And AI is an unfair advantage. Let's use it, guys, right? Everyone is using AI, so why not we are using it? So AI for portfolio building. When we talk about the portfolio, okay, I will give you a very simple reason why you should have a GitHub platform. Okay, now I want a response from your side, guys. Okay, now you tell me, are you guys doing your project assignment in your college right now? Is there anyone who has done any kind of assignment and projects in the college? Yeah guys, whether you are coming from a first year, second year, or any year, okay, you guys are definitely doing some projects and assignment. Yes, anyone can tell me on the chat box right now, are you working on any project? It is not about a technical project guys, okay, whether it is a basic non-technical project as well, right? What if I ask you that can you share me your project in next 5 seconds? Is it possible for you to share me your project, to show me your project in 5 seconds? Yes. Yeah, I'm waiting on the chat box, okay, you can share me your project and explain me as well. So that is the, yeah, I'm not shared my screen, okay, that is the biggest difficulty right now we are facing guys, that when I'm asking you from your project, okay, yes, when I'm asking for your project, you are not able to share me in a quick way. The reason it is your project is there in your own laptop, it is there in someone else folder, it is there in college or somewhere else. But how does the student will build its own portfolio, right? Where it can upload the projects, codings, and day-to-day task of whatever the technical task we are doing it. Case study solution, and that is the platform where GitHub comes. GitHub is a great platform guys. If I'm sharing you this particular link, everyone can access this GitHub link, okay? So let me share you one GitHub link right now on the chat box, and you guys, you tell me whether you are able to use this particular. Now this is a GitHub link where you can find one project called as Campus Pro AI bot, okay? I'm just sharing you this link on the chat box guys, and you guys have to tell me whether you can find all the codes or not. Can you see this? I have shared you one link on the chat box. Just click on this link, okay, and tell me, can you find all the folders, every code inside this particular GitHub repo? Yes or no, guys? Just click on that link, okay? You will find the exact same thing. So this is the power of GitHub, that when I want to showcase my skill, okay, I don't need to come at your location, I don't need to mail you, I just need to share one link, and in 2 seconds everyone can access my particular project guys. Got it? Clear? Then apart from GitHub guys, okay, what else we can do? We can use AI to build your own portfolio, okay? So let us use ChatGPT and write your project description that you did this project, okay, what you know what to you have built. So if I'm taking one example of this particular Campus Pro AI bot, I'm going to the ChatGPT and I'm using the ChatGPT, okay, and telling the ChatGPT to write my project description. Okay, so I am writing, I have created one Campus Pro AI bot agent, okay, web application, you can say, and it is a very interesting thing. So you guys can totally use that code and use it, build your own project as well, okay. But I have built this project, okay. My role was a full stack developer, okay, full stack developer. The challenge was integrating AI into web. Okay, so I'm writing everything. My challenge was integration of AI into web, okay, getting it. And this is the result which I'm sharing the my GitHub link to this chat GPT, okay. Write a professional portfolio description, okay, for this in 3 sentences, okay, for this in 3 sentences because I don't want a very big description on this. Okay, using problem. So this is something that stands out: problem, action, result, format. So it will give me everything. Okay, everything apart from my problem, apart from my result, and everything. You can see this, and I am getting a complete description for this in 2 seconds. I can add this description in this GitHub link, okay? And whenever you will see, every steps is given to you that how to create this. So this is the power of GitHub, guys, okay? And you can see one link also. This is the link where this project is hosted live, guys, okay? So you can also use this project, test this project as well. Got it? Apart from this, you might have heard of one more AI tool called as Canva AI. So Canva AI for your portfolio design. Once you build the portfolio in your GitHub, ChatGPT will write your description, ChatGPT will write your description, and Canva AI will make your portfolio beautiful, okay? Because Canva is just about templates. So use Canva's AI magic, okay, and build your particular portfolio, guys, okay? Transfer your boring portfolio of a text into some bio, taglines, images, and everything. Even if you have zero skills, Canva will make you look like that you are professional in 30 minutes. Okay. So use Canva. It is a great tool, okay, to highlight, to showcase your skills. And in a very good way, okay, because no one will read a text, but definitely everyone will attract to the images and the tagline. Now, coming for the best part, LinkedIn. Is there anyone who has heard of LinkedIn, guys? Are you guys on LinkedIn? Yes, anyone? Is there anyone who has heard of LinkedIn? So, what do you think? LinkedIn is just a platform for you guys to see the job role? No, guys. Always remember LinkedIn is not just a platform for your job role, okay? Yes. So, LinkedIn is all about showing your skills, giving your projects, making sure that you are connected with all the people. And when you are building the connection, the only way that you can build a connection is that you need to highlight your skills. No one cares about that you guys are working or you guys are doing in the college, guys. If you have a right skill, if you have a right skill, then it is the best time for you in today's time to grow, guys, okay? Because even if you are a college student, you can showcase your skill and get a job as well, guys. While you are doing the college, that's not a problem, but your skills are very important, okay? So paste your LinkedIn about sections into ChatGPT and say rewrite this with more engaging keywords, okay, about your job profile. So you can use ChatGPT for all this purpose, okay? You just have to get the data from your LinkedIn, tell the ChatGPT write this under 3 words, okay, and use this. Suppose I am right now we are a student, right? Suppose I am writing I am doing B Tech, okay, CSC. All right. And what kind of job you want? I want to become, okay, I want job profile as AI and ML engineer, okay, which is very trending right now. Engineer. I'll pick 2 volunteers, okay, and rewrite my LinkedIn headings, okay, by using ChatGPT. Use 2 volunteers, okay, and rewrite or just write my LinkedIn bio, okay, and write my LinkedIn bio. Simple as that. By using one small prompt, you are changing the bio of your LinkedIn, guys, okay. So you can see this. ChatGPT is giving you the exact bio, okay, which is as per your goal, as per your studies, or you can say the career, guys, okay. So this is something that you need to understand. For non-technical student, Your portfolio doesn't needs to be on website, but a well-designed notation page, Canva PDF, or even the Google slide decks are perfectly for you guys. Okay. So even if you are not technical student, do not think that you cannot build your own portfolio. Got it, guys? So use AI coding assistants, which are very important for right now. So this section we will primarily focus on the tech students, but on non-technical students stay, because I have understanding of AI codings that you can do and will change how you collaborate with the developers and understand the tech worlds. So there are AI coding assistants. The top AI coding assistant which are free is the GitHub Copilot, okay, that you can use, or in your VS Code you can add it as well. Apart from that, there is Claude, okay, that we always talk about. Claude is one of the important AI coding assistants. It will build, explaining the code, debugging, and architecture design. Replit and Cursor. Apart from that, you can also use Blue AI for this particular purpose, because Blue AI will help you for the coding assistance as well. Got it, guys? So whether you have anything, you can use Copilot, Claude, ChatGPT, okay, for learning the concept. Do not use ChatGPT, okay, for the starter code. You can use it. Now, I will use create a HTML web page. This is fine for ChatGPT, okay, but not the entire project. For entire project, you need a better explanation, understanding, and debugging. That time I will use Claude, and then for finding the errors, giving the autocomplete codes, I will use GitHub, guys. Okay, so this is where we need to understand. Now for non-technical student, why this matters, okay, you don't need to be a coding benefit for the AI tools, guys. Okay, if you ever need a simple script, a data analysis, or a website, okay, for a non-technical student, what do you want? You just have to write in plain English to the chat GPT, and it will write the code, and then take it to the Replit and run it. No installation, nothing. This is a genuine superpower, guys. Okay, without installing anything, you are just writing the code, copy this, put it on the Replit, and Replit is giving you the output, right? So for a non-technical students who have small interest on building the website and everything, you can do that, guys. Okay, getting it? So GitHub Education Pack is free for student. Make sure that you use this. It includes GitHub Pilot, $100 cloud credit. GitHub Education Pack. Okay, if you haven't heard of this, make sure that you explore this particular opportunity. So GitHub Student Developers Pack. Okay, I'm sharing you this link. Use this, guys. Okay, it is completely free. It includes Copilot, $100 cloud credit, plus 20 plus other developers tools. So go to the education.github.com. Okay, you can see this. Sign up with your student email ID. Do you all have the student email ID, guys? Yes. Do we all have the student's email ID? Yes or no, guys? So use your student email ID, okay, and get the benefit for this. Now tell me, guys, how many of you are interested in these startups? What do you think? Do you think that you will be able to create your own startup? Yes or no? This is the right time, guys. Okay, you can explore your ideas, right? Yeah, many of us are much interested in this startup right now. Okay, we have ideas, because right now everything, okay, whether it was an Instagram, guys, Facebook, Snapchat, Dropbox, okay, some of the biggest startup in the history were founded by students, and that is no doubt with that. All started with the garage dorms. So AI right now, back in the time, we don't add the AI, but AI doesn't help you build the startup. It will help you think of them as well. Okay. If you feel that you don't have any idea, it is fine, guys. AI can give you number of ideas that you can use and work along with. Okay. So if I'm writing this prompt, okay, suppose I'm writing this prompt on ChatGPT, let me share my screen and see how does the ChatGPT will help me to give me, okay. Now, all the startups are created by using a problem, right? We see a problem in the market and then we check it. Okay. So I'm writing, I am a student with skills of web development. Okay. Suppose a basic skill that every student in 2026 should always have, a technical student is to of web development, guys. Okay. I have noticed a problem. Okay, describe your problem. Um, what is the problem that we use, guys? I have noticed a problem while doing e-commerce. Okay, shopping on e-commerce platform. Okay, the rates are different in every e-commerce platforms. This is a genuine problem, right? E-commerce platforms. Yes or no, guys? So I am giving a small problem which I personally felt. Generate 5 startup ideas. Okay, you can see this. We are using AIs to generate ideas, okay, that solve this problem. Okay, you can see this, targeting audience who has or felt the same problem, mostly Gen Z's, right? Gen Z's are comparing a lot of things, right? And it is a good thing, because back in the time, if you don't compare it, you never know what we are selling it, okay? Now, in this time, we are checking whether if you want to buy a simple product, you always go and check into the multiple platforms, right? So this is a good thing. For each idea, include the value proposition, whether it will work or not, okay, and everything, the monetization model, that how I will make money, okay, which is very important. It is not that we are doing anything as a social work, guys, okay, we are launching a startup and that by default we need money for that, okay, so we are getting the monetization model, okay, and what makes it different from existing solution. Suppose in market you will tell me, sir, we have a platform which will compare the price. I know that, guys, okay, but we will write this, what makes it different from existing solution, okay. So I have given this prompt, okay, I want you to just check this. Now you can see this. The first idea I got is about smart card, the real time comparison assistant. Okay, what I am doing it, a browser extensions and a mobile app that automatically compares the prices of the product across the e-commerce platforms while you shop. Isn't it a good idea, guys? Value proposition for Gen Zs can instantly see the cheapest platform for the same products without manually checking into the different apps. I don't have to go to the Zepto, I don't have to go to Flipkart, Blinkit, or any other manually. I will see the cheapest product man or instantly, guys. Okay. Affiliate commissions from the partners e-commerce platform. You can charge the commissions for the e-commerce platform to show your products. Premium subscription for advanced alerts and analytics, right? And drop alert. One more thing, AI price drop alert predictor, which is something new in market. Okay, you can see an AI tool that predicts when the price of the product is likely to be dropped on the basis of historical pricing data, right, guys? So this is a freemium model, paid pro models you can use for monetization. Price circle, social shopping price community, a community driven platform where users shares the best deals that they find across e-commerce platform. Now tell me, guys, don't you think just in 10 seconds we have 5 startup ideas, guys, okay, that we can actually build as well? Yeah. Was it interesting to know about this? Yes or no, guys? So we are having a biggest scope right now in the industry, okay? AI for business planning we can do. use your chat gpt for drop your one page business plan. Okay, now I'm telling the chat gpt, suppose I want to go with this startup. Okay, drop a one page business plan. Now you guys tell me, okay, which idea sounds good. So I'm showing you all the four ideas. Okay, first is smart card, where real time comparison will happen. Second thing is drop alert and AI price drop alert predictor. Price circle, it is like a platform where everyone can show the best deals. Card sync, that is multi platform smart card. User add the items to one universal cart. That add automatically builds the cheapest possible card using different platforms. And deal lens, camera based price finder. Users scan a product using their phone camera and ad instantly shows the price of the product across the different platform. Tell me guys which one you like the most, and I will make a business plan of that product. Anyone? Did you like the smart card, AI price drop predictor, or the camera lens? Just give me the input, guys, quickly. Yeah, let us go with some of the ideas. So I'm using this particular thing, okay, Cart Sync, because it is a very good platform. I just need to add my products, okay, in my cart, and it will switch to the multiple platforms. Okay, create a one page business plan for this particular idea. Now you can see this. I got my business plan. This plan I will use in the Claude, okay, or Perplexity, Canva AI, and Motion AI. Now here in sitting in a live webinar, guys, I have built a one startup, right? So this is exactly that you need to understand, guys. Okay, these are the AI tools which are very powerful, guys. Okay, so I'll just copy this. I'm going to the Claude right now. You can see this. I'll open the Claude here, and I will tell the Claude to help me to analyze your business model for logical gaps. Okay, I agree everything. Using for free. Okay, as you can see this, skipping this, and now you can see this. Done. I just have to copy this entire thing, guys. Okay, and I have to tell the Claude that analyze my business model for logical gaps, whether it will be able to survive in the industry or not, right? Because when you are launching a business, you need to understand all the factors, guys. We cannot blindly we cannot blindly write anything, right? So design, creativity, content, business strategy, and coding, right? Click on this. Maybe later. And I have my own topic. So you can see this. I'm just writing analyze. Okay, I'm writing analyze my business, analyzing my business model for logical gap. And then the same data I will paste it here. Done. And clicking on this. So Claude will give me each and everything after analyzing your thing. Okay. So you can see this. What I need to fix before I launch my business model, the affiliate commission conflict. So this is the most serious logical flaw. Your revenue depends upon your affiliate commission platforms like Amazon and Flipkart, but your core product activity routes user away from single platform. So make sure that you fix this. Okay, secondly, data access and API reality. Third, check out the fragmentation problem. Cheapest cart, moderate gaps, ignores the hidden costs. Okay, so optimization logic is incomplete. A product being 50 rupees 50 cheaper on Flipkart doesn't mean it's actually cheaper, right? So we need to understand everything. I was very happy to launch the startup, but I got the reality check. If I'm using Perplexity, I can use Perplexity for the research one. Canva AI to make my make my pitch in a beautiful way, and Notation AI to build my summary of the startup. Can you see this? So yes, everything, it is a very big thing. Okay, we cannot just launch a startup, guys, by an idea. We are using each and every platform for a different particular reason. Okay, and those are the platforms which are helping us, guiding us to build the startup, guys. Okay, so here's the most important thing: AI is your thinking partner, not a co-founder, guys. Use it to stress test your ideas, not to replace your vision. Always remember that your vision and your logic is most important thing. Best startup ideas comes from your problem you have personally felt, guys. Okay, so startup challenge, try this in the chat. One problem, okay, that you faced as a student. What do you think, guys? Anyone? As a student, what is that one problem that you face, that which is not giving you the solution in anywhere? Okay, so we will pick one of the best problem that you are guys are facing as a student. Okay, and then we will brainstorm for the startup ideas in 5 minutes. I want one problem as a student that you guys are facing, okay, in your life, which there is no solution on any application. Anyone, guys? Any one problem that you guys are facing? Yes or no? Which problem you guys are facing in your day-to-day life? Yes? Yeah, I want you to name me the problem that you guys are facing in your student's life. Okay. Which problem? No problem. What about the canteen problem, guys? Is it's very famous, right? So whenever we are going inside a canteen, okay, we feel like there are a very long queue and everything, right? Fail to get a problem statement to do a project, right? Exactly. Use problem, yeah. So these are the problems that we are using it. Okay, a canteen problem, you can see this. What happens whenever there is a long queue in the canteen and in 15 minutes of break, I cannot get anything right from the canteen. So this is the problem that we all face, and we can transform this into a startup idea. Yes, Zomato was created in the same way, okay, with the same logic. So research tools, if you want to do the research tools, okay, there are other research tools that you can use for every purpose. Okay, use Perplexity. Okay, it is a very great tools for arts and design. If you are researching anything in the arts and design, there is one more tool which I will show you, that is the Yes. Elicit AI, your own research AI assistants. Okay, this is a great tools for your research purpose, guys. Okay, so make sure that you are using in a correct way. Whenever you have a topics of research, okay, in your college, whenever you want to go with the thesis, in the find papers, design methodology, okay, use this particular AI tool. I am sharing you this link on the chat box. So go with this, explore this, okay? Yes, great. Now, apart from the research tools, okay, what we will be doing is we will be using businesses for ChatGPT, Perplexity if you are researching in your law or arts and design and everything, guys, okay? So make sure that whatever the AI tools that we are using it are mostly free for the students. Okay, ChatGPT, it is free. Notation AI, it is free. Grammarly, it is free with the basic grammar. Perplexity, it is free. 10 searches if you are doing a day. Gamma AI is free if you are using 10 10 slides. If you are creating 10 slides, Reclaim.ai is one calendar, you are free. You can add your one personal calendar, okay? And then GitHub Copilot is completely free for the students. Canva AI is free with limited features. Claude AI is free with limited features, okay? What you should not use, what you should not use, EasyBot, Easy AI, Check AI. These are the AI tools you should not use, okay? Deep fake tools that you should not use. AI voice cloners you should not use, guys, okay? Because it is not legal. It will have a particular issue when you are using this using this AI tools. Okay, so there are many AI tools that we have for deepfakes. You should totally not use that because it is unethical, guys. Okay, so make sure that you don't use any AI tools which is not having a proper certification. And I want to be very clear. Okay, using AI is cheat not just academically, okay, what we are doing it, it is also terrible learning strategy as well. When you are paying tuition fees, okay, to building skills, so you need to make sure that AI is just here to help you fast, better, and not to bypass your learning activity, guys. Okay, so make sure that make your AI as your companion, not as your competitor, guys. Okay, and use and explore that particular AI tools, that is BLU AI and Prepfree, guys. If you want to completely transform your career, the reason it is, I can see that some students are requesting me in the other language also, right? As an instructor, I have some restriction, but BLU AI, as it is coming from multi-languageable tools, okay, it is giving me all my proper ways to communicate in a different language, and I can study in a better way, guys. Okay, so you can use BLU AI for your complete AI tutor platform, and then you can use Prepfree as well to make your job ready. Getting it, guys? So I will be connecting you with the one of my colleague named as Yash. Okay, he will be helping us for the certification part, and he will give you more insights about the particular AI domain, guys. Okay, so make sure that you have any kind of doubts, any questions that you guys are having it, make sure that you do ask. Okay, give your inputs about the particular platform and today's webinar as well, and make sure to provide the correct email IDs, your inputs about the webinar as well. Now tell me, guys, how was your experience? How did you understood all the AI tools? Can you understand this? So Yash will be joining us